Some people are just here on YouTube and they don't even know the right time to upload their video. They don't even know how to use their analytic to even know the right time to upload their video. Like you're just posting, you're not even studying your analytic, you're not optimizing your video, you're just posting. So how do you intend to grow? How do you intend for your videos to actually do well? There are times to post on YouTube for your videos to do well. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can know the time to post your videos, the right time to post your videos for them to do well. This is going to be divided into two sections. The first section is for beginners that don't have any analytic yet. They don't have any analytic data because they are new. And the second section is for people that have been posting videos for a while. They have data already, but they just don't know how to use that data. Okay. So the first part now, this is general, but it's mainly for people that are new. There are 3 segments to post on YouTube. If you're new on YouTube, you want to post a video the right time. You try the morning segment, which is between 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. If you want to post during the morning, this is the best time to post. By this time, people are already up and about and scrolling on the app and looking for what to watch. Probably they are transiting to work or they are just relaxing on the bed by this time. So that's the best time for you to post if you want to post in the morning. Then we have the afternoon segment, which is between 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. And this is the time where people are on their lunch break. So most times when people are on their break, they go and look for what to watch. Or when people are even having lunch in general, they're looking for what to watch on YouTube. I know that that's what I do during this period or during this time. So if you don't have an analytic data, then you can also target 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. Also, if your target audience are people that are just coming back from school, if it's a younger audience, this period at the time they are just getting home. So posting from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. would also help you boost your views. Then the evening segment, which is between 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. 6 p.m. is when people are relaxing. They are done with work, heading home. They want to unwind. They want to relax. They're looking for what to watch. So if you post between 6, 7, 8, 9, they are either heading to their houses or they're already in bed, relaxed and ready to watch something. So if you target these 3 slots, your video would definitely hit one of the marks. So it's either you try the morning segment, the afternoon segment, or the evening segment. Now, if you are not a new YouTuber, you've already been on the app and you did not even know how to use this data I want to show you to get your right posting time, then I'm going to show you this. In your YouTube analytic, the YouTube has already studied when your audience are online. It has already done this for you. So you don't even need to stress. What you need to do is to go to your YouTube dashboard. It's either you do it on the Studio app or you go to the dashboard website. Either way, it's going to show the same data there. I'm going to show you my own audience analytic time slot. So you see what it looks like. It's definitely going to be there as long as you're not a new YouTuber. You've been posting for a while. YouTube would have studied your data and shown you, oh, this is the best time to post. This is when your audience are online. And they do it for every day, Monday to Sunday. So it's different time slots for different days. Now let's dive right into my screen recording. For this tutorial, we're going to be using the YouTube Studio app. So when you click on this, then you go to your analytics down here, then you click on audience. You guys, if you come down here, this part where it says when your viewers are on YouTube, that is what you need. So if you look at this now, as you can see, it is very straightforward, very easy for you to know when to post. Here it shows few viewers to many viewers. The shade of the color helps you determine when many viewers are online and when few viewers are online. And they do this for each day. But this recycles for 28 days. So this one now, the data here is the one for the last 28 days. The next 28 days will look different from this. So every day and every month, YouTube is analyzing your audience when they're online and how they respond to your video and show you here. So this is mine. Mine has changed. This is not how it was before. But for now, as you can see on Mondays, between 12 noon to 11 p.m. is when I have people online. From midnight to 6 a.m., as you can see, it's really, really dark. There's nobody online. We have just few viewers online. So if I post a video at that time, nobody's going to see it. Then from 6 to 12, I have few viewers online. So if I post a video by that time, people are likely to and likely to not see it because the amount of my subscribers that are online are not many at that point. Then from 12 to 6, as you can see here, I have more subscribers online. They are not many, but they are more than before. Then from 6 p.m., which is down here, you see that the shade is lighter. is brighter now. That means many of my viewers are online. So if I want to post on a Monday with this analytic, with this data and information, it will be best for me to post by 6 p.m. because that's when most of my viewers are online. So you do the same thing and the same analysis for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So you know when to post. The general observation of this analytic is that on Thursday and Fridays, I have most of my subscribers online, which means most of my subscribers are online during the weekend. So if I have something huge I want to announce or a video that I want to make sure that a lot of my subscribers watch and have a lot of views, I'll be targeting from the weekend, from Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. This is just very easy to navigate. You just have to keep checking it because, like I said, it changes every day, every 28 days. YouTube is taking in new data, new analytics, and you just have to come here to keep checking. So if you don't have a data yet, that means you have not yet posted as much videos that YouTube need to take data for you. Then you use the time slots I have given you, which is the morning, the afternoon, or the evening time slots. Those will also work for you. So it's the same thing. You can also find it in your studio.youtube.com, the website dashboard. You find it there. It's the same thing you're going to see there. So it's just easier to navigate with the studio app. So if you post like this, following this analytic, this data for one full month, I promise you, you'll see the difference. Just try it out and post like this for the next 28 days. Just use this analytic. Post like this for the next 28 days, you'll see an increased spike in your views because now you are targeting when your viewers are online. And when they are online and see your video, they are definitely going to be clicking on that video as long as the video is well optimized, which means your title, your description, your tags, your thumbnail should be very clickable and also give value. All right, so now that you have seen this and you understand it, please make sure you post at the particular time when most of your audience are online. Don't post when few are online or when many are online. Post at the start of when most is online, like I said before. So it will hit the right viewers because this data is something YouTube has studied and it has seen that this is the time slot for you to post that you will get more attraction. The time that most of your audience are online. So like target that time and post, even if it's 9 p.m., 10 p.m. Anywhere you are, just target that time and post. Even if you're a new YouTuber, this data is actually still useful to you because by the time you started posting, this is the same thing you will see. YouTube would have studied your data and also give you the same data analytic for when your viewers or your audience are online. And also at the same time, do well to check the geography or the demography of your audience so that you can see the people that are watching your video. What country are they from? The gender that are also watching your video, the ratio to male, the ratio to female. So you know exactly the kind of videos to put out, the kind of audience to target, the country, the language, the time. So all these things just really help. If you really want to know more about your analytic, please watch this video I'm recommending in the card. I broke down every single details about the YouTube analytics so it's easier for you to understand. All right. I hope this video has been able to help you. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave it down in the comments. I always answer my community. And if you have any other video suggestions also, please leave it down in the comments. I will get to that. Okay. Thank you for watching today's video. Share this link to somebody that needs it, someone that needs to understand the right time to post to get more views. And trust me, if you apply this, you'll see testimonies. You'll see the difference in your content views. I've done it, I do it, and it works. So I won't bring something that I haven't tried and doesn't work to you guys, okay? So thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe as usual, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.